What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Dormant Barons. For this is a super easy task, let's do it. For this, you can play on any map, Spaceport, Damn Battlegrounds, or the Blue Gate. So of course, for this Dormant Baron task, the best place to come is probably Damn Battlegrounds, as they have that whole old battleground area where there's a ton of these things located. Baron Husks are these absolutely massive things like you see over here. Pinging it should confirm it. Here it's just saying by the enemy Husk, but it should also say Baron Husk. Now if you're looking for the easy way through things, come across to my interactive maps website linked down below, and then just hit none on the far left to hide all of these icons. Then scroll down, and you'll be selecting the Arc Baron Husk. This should show you a couple of them. Right now I've only got one listed over here, but there are a couple more to the west, which you should see shortly, like this one over here. So entering this location, heading pretty much directly onto that old battleground sign, you can see one of the Husks is just chilling here. Pinging it, you can see old Baron Husk. Now I'll climb onto this if the quest doesn't pop, and right on top of it here should be complete. No, right, loot. So we need to breach the top here. Then you'll need to move away quickly, as this will heat up a lot, make a ton of noise, and of course attract raiders. While this doesn't contain the best loot usually, you could find some relatively rare things inside here. It's more of just a PvP attractor, at least in my opinion. There we go. Once the top explodes, it should start cooling down. It'll make another noise, a couple of these sparks, and there we go. At this point, it's cool. You can run onto it, immediately start looting it, grab everything, and there you go. That part of the quest is complete. But yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Nice to meet Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.